Hey everyone, welcome back to Linux News. In today's video, we're diving into the world of RHEL 9, specifically focusing on how to configure a YUM repository. If you're looking to install and manage software packages on your RHEL 9 system, understanding YUM repositories is essential, so let's get started. First, let's quickly cover what a YUM repository is. YUM, or Yellow Dog Updater Modified, is a package management tool in RHEL that makes it easy to install, update, and remove software packages. A YUM repository is essentially a storage location from which your system retrieves and installs these packages. Now that we know what a YUM repository is, let's walk through how to configure it in RHEL 9. First, open your terminal and gain root access by typing. Once you're in, navigate to the directory where YUM repository configuration files are stored. Next, we'll create a new repository file. You can use your favorite text editor. Here, I'm using VI. In this file, you'll define your repository settings. Let's break down the key components. My Repo. This is the name of your repository. Name. My Repository. A human-readable name for your repository. Base URL HTTP. Your repository URL. The URL where your repository is hosted. Enabled 1. This enables the repository GPG check 1. This enables GPG signature checking for packages. After you've entered these details, save the file and exit the editor. Now let's make sure our repository is working correctly. Run the following command to clean the YUM cache. Next, verify that the repository is available by typing. If everything is configured correctly, you should see your new repository listed here. Finally, let's install a package from our new repository to ensure it's working properly. For example, replace HTTPD name of the software you want to install. YUM will retrieve and install it from the repository you just configured. And that's it. You've successfully configured a YUM repository in RHEL 9. This is a crucial step in managing software on your system, and I hope this tutorial made it easy for you to understand. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.